I learned this trick with a friend from Italy. Now I only make pasta like this. In a large skillet over medium heat filled with boiling water, start by adding a drizzle of vegetable oil. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 200 grams of spaghetti, breaking it as I'm doing. Stir everything very well and let it cook for 6 minutes. This is the right point. Drain all the water and set aside. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Now, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add a generous drizzle of vegetable oil. Then, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of curry. Stir everything very well until all the spices are fully dissolved, and set aside. After doing that, in another large skillet over medium to low heat, add 500 milliliters of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and let the water come to a boil. When that happens, add the spaghetti we prepared, the seasoning mixture we prepared, and stir to combine. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type that recipe, and download it. Next, add 1 carrot and 1 medium potato cut into smaller pieces and pre-cooked. Stir once more. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Cover the skillet and let everything cook for another 3 minutes. After this time has passed, add parsley to taste and stir to combine. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.